Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to explain animated movie Up. So let's start. The movie starts with a little boy named Carl Fredrickson who dreams of becoming an explorer. He loves watching videos of his hero Charles Muntz, a famous explorer who travels to a mysterious place called Paradise Falls in South America. That is very beautiful place. One day, Carl meets a cheerful and talkative girl named Ellie. Ellie also dreams to go to Paradise Falls. They become close friends, then grow up, get married, and live a happy life together in a small old house. They plan to visit Paradise Falls one day, but life keeps stopping them. Medical bill, repair, and daily problems take their savings. As they grow old, Ellie becomes sick and sadly passes away before they can fulfill their dream. Now Carl is alone and misses her deeply. Their house becomes a symbol of his love for Ellie. Few years later, the city grows around Carl's house. Construction companies want to buy and destroy his home, but Carl refuses. He becomes a grumpy old man who doesn't talk to anyone. One day, a worker accidentally damages his mailbox, the one Ellie painted. Carl becomes angry and hates him, and the court orders Carl to move to a retirement home. But Carl doesn't want that. So he comes up with a crazy plan to fly his house to Paradise Falls using thousands of helium balloons. So next morning, Carl ties thousands of colorful balloons to his house and it lifts off the ground, flying high above the city. His dream has finally started. But soon he hears a knock on the door. Mid-air. It's a young boy named Russell, a friendly and energetic wilderness explorer scout. Russell accidentally got stuck on Carl's porch while trying to earn his Help the Elderly badge. Carl has no choice but to take Russell with him on this flying house adventure. After flying through a storm, they finally land near Paradise Falls, but not exactly there. They must walk the house, that is still floating with balloons, across the land using ropes to reach the right spot. During the journey, they meet some strange creatures. Kevin, a giant colorful bird who loves chocolate, and a Doug, a golden dog who can talk using a collar invented by his master. Russell and Doug quickly becomes friends, but Carl only cares about reaching the falls and fulfilling Ellie's dream. Suddenly they meet Carl's childhood hero, Charles Muntz, who is now very old but still living in the jungle with many talking dogs. Carl is excited at first. His hero is real. But soon he discovered Muntz is obsessed with capturing the bird Kevin to prove his reputation as an explorer. Muntz becomes the villain when he realizes Carl and Russell are protecting Kevin. Muntz tries to take Kevin by force. Carl only wants to save his house and reach Paradise Falls. So at first he ignores Russell and Kevin. But then he looks through Ellie's old scrapbook and finds that her real adventure was not the trip to Paradise Falls. It was the life she lived with him. Carl realizes that keeping the house doesn't mean keeping Ellie. Her memory is in his heart. He finally changes. He throws away heavy furniture, frees the house, and goes to save Russell and Kevin from Muntz. A thrilling fight happens in the sky using airships, balloons, and dogs. Carl and Russell work together. They outsmart Muntz, and Muntz accidentally falls from the airship. So, after that, Kevin returns safely to her babies. Carl and Russell's house float down and lands peacefully beside Paradise Falls. Ellie's dream is finally complete. Carl and Russell then return home in Munt's airship. Back in the city, Carl becomes a father figure to Russell. He attends Russell's scout ceremony and gives him the Ellie badge, the grape soda pin. Ellie gave Carl when they were kids. They often sit together, eating ice cream and watching the world, happy and peaceful. The movie ends with Carl's house resting right beside Paradise Falls, just as Ellie dreamed. So that's the complete explanation of Up movie. Stay tuned for more movies explanation. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.